Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about Nifty Futures price momentum of tomorrow expiry. I'm Sushant. You are watching my YouTube channel Wave Trading. Before starting, I will request you please subscribe this channel. Your one subscription will inspire us. And please don't forget to click the bell button. Thank you. Okay, let's start today's discussion. Today night around 2 am I have updated at latest YouTube video that possible vital resistance is 11887 and from this level Nifty future will start to correct around 150 points. But what actually happened? Nifty future made high 11919 and from this very level correction was start. Today's night I have predicted that Nifty future will correct around 150 points. But what actually happened? But Nifty future actually correct 176 points. My prediction was from first resistance. This is the predicted first resistance. Nifty future will take correction of 150 points. Actually happened from the first resistance. Nifty future corrected 176 points. My second prediction was from the support level. After correction of 150 points, after support level, Nifty future will take a bounce back. Now, from this support level, that is 11,744. From this level, Nifty future take a bounce back. My prediction was from this point Nifty future will take a bounce back as the predicted resistance was differ by some points and therefore the correction was differ by some points, and from this support level Nifty future take a bounce back. Nifty future take a bounce back. Our prediction from first resistance, after that a correction, enter a correction, after that from this support level Nifty future will bounce back, happened exactly. From this resistance level Nifty future correct these points and from this support level start to bounce back. And after a sharp rally or covering rally, Nifty future made high 11,945. This is today's day's high. Now question arises, what is going to be tomorrow's trade session? As tomorrow is weekly expiry, everyone you know that at weekly expiry volatility affect the market movement. Therefore, therefore after crossing this level, the question is what will be the next possible resistance. Next possible resistance is 12,143, which Nifty future may show tomorrow, otherwise at Friday. If volume support, then we may witness this level tomorrow. If not, then expect within Friday Nifty future may show this level. Not only this, Nifty future will face this level a tough hurdle. if Nifty future face this level a tough hurdle, then from this level we may expect another correction. Possibly the correction will be intraday. And at this scenario, we may conclude that it is going to be a starting of fresh rally. I have mentioned at latest video that if taking support as this level, if Nifty future bounce back and cross day's first high, then the symptom will be support of a fresh rally, and the same is happening. Nifty future is supporting after crossing for day's first high. It is meaning that we may witness a fresh rally, and after touching 12,140 it will be confirmed, because the recent high is 12,016, yes, which Nifty future made 21st of October. 21st of October. That's mean showing this level, it's mean crossing this recent high. Okay, let's what happen. If tomorrow volume support, Nifty future will touch this level, otherwise we may witness at Friday. One thing I should remember you again, that at this discussion by at this channel, I am not promoting anyone to initiate a trade according my shown level or my discussed level. I just sharing my experiences to you, not to trade according my level. Please, before investment, take advice from your investment guru. And last of all, I will request you, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.